Hi, I'm Sean Copeland, the VP of Data at Lyft & Co. Today, I'm going to show you how you can evaluate the pricing of your products. Cohesion is a 360-degree look at the cannabis consumer, all in one data platform. All right, let's dive into it. Here's a Cohesion dashboard. We're going to start by taking a look at the receipt module. In the receipt module, we can uncover what price stores are selling your product for. So we'll go over to purchase price, and we'll take a look at the full product list. If you wanted to look at specific products to compare against yours, you could select them here. This is where you could see if your price is higher or lower than your competitors. All right, we're back on the Cohesion scorecard. Let's go down to the brand module. In the brand module, we're going to understand how people perceive the value of your brand. In here, you can compare your brand to your brand competitors to understand if you have a higher perceived value than your competitors or a lower perceived value than your competitors. The higher it is, the higher you can price your products. Now finally, we're going to go into the review module. In the review module, we'll take a look at the verbatim text from product reviews. Now you can take a look at your brands or your competitors' brands to see what people were saying about your products. In here, if you find mentions about price, they may be saying you're priced too high or priced too low, which might indicate an opportunity to change your pricing. So now you know how Cohesion can help you evaluate your pricing strategy to make better informed decisions. Visit lyftcobusiness.com for more information and to contact us for a personalized demo. Thanks for watching.